Hi all, John from Trustworthy Home Advice again. I hope you're all having a great day. You ever wanted to change the water temperature in your home and weren't quite sure how to do it? Well, just hang around for a few minutes and we're going to show you how. Okay, so the first thing you need to determine is whether you have an electric or a gas hot water heater. This heater here is a gas hot water heater. You can tell because it has a gas line going to it. The gas hot water heaters are the easiest to change. Pretty much all you have to do is take a look at the control panel. There's a dial on the front. You pretty much just set it where you want it. This particular unit has settings of either low, hot, or very hot, and then spot stops in between. So in this case, just kind of pick your temperature, set it, you're on your way. Gas hot water heater is changed. And that's it. Electric a little bit different. We'll talk about that in a second. Okay, we moved over to Alyssa's house now, and we have an electric water heater here. You can tell it's an electric water heater because it has no gas line going into it. The procedure for electric is a little bit different, but not much more involved. The first thing you got to do with an electric water heater is turn off the power. We're going to turn that off, and then we're going to go back to the heater. Now, in an electric heater, they're either going to be a single element or a dual element. In this case, we have a dual element. So what you need to do is to take this panel off. It has a couple screws in it. Okay, we remove the panel. Now you can see we have two elements here, an upper element and a lower element. So we'll pull this little bit of insulation out on both top and bottom. And inside here, you can see a little dial which actually has the temperature settings written on it. Need a flathead screwdriver. You go in, this is set at 125 on the top. The bottom is set at about the same. You want to change it, you just simply turn them, put everything back together, turn the power on, and you've adjusted your temperature up and down. Good rule of thumb for a dual element water heater is to maybe set this upper element a couple degrees higher than the lower element. That helps them wear evenly. Otherwise, just set them the same, it's fine. But that's about it. So that's how you adjust a gas hot water heater and an electric hot water heater. If you enjoyed the video, just drop us a like. If you're new here, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.